Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you a tip or simple way you can create or generate CSV file from your Fabric Lakehouse. You may have a use case for this. Sometimes you come across situations where you really need to generate CSV files from your lake file, and that is a CSV file that is specific, that has the CSV file name, not the package file that is generated by default within Fabric. Now I've got a blank or empty lakehouse here. It hasn't got any table, no files in there, but I need to move some data in there and then use that to generate CSV file. Now let's head on to a pipeline, an empty pipeline I have in here. But what I'd like to do is to use a use copy assistant to move data or tables from a warehouse in Fabric. So I've got this here, and I will need to use or select few tables. So I just need to select few tables, the customer table, the product table, and the sales one, and see how we can use this to generate sales files. So I click on next, and I'll need to select a lakehouse we have in here. Now remember, we want to generate files, not the table. So I select file. Now I want to select the root folder where it's gonna go, and I'll wait for that to load. So the root folder is selected. Now there are a couple of settings here. First, I want to choose the option to be able to edit the file names one by one. Let's do that. Instead of having dbo dot the file name, I want to remove the prefix. I remove that so that when the files are generated, you have it the exact name that you wanted. Now you notice the suffix is the file suffix is showing txt. I don't want it. I want to generate CSV. So I change it to CSV file. Okay, and then you click on next. I will leave the settings the way it is at the minute, including the add header to file. I will click on next. Now all of that is been set up now. 3 tables to be loaded. I'm going to save and run this copy activity. And then we want to run the pipeline. So we'll wait for the pipeline to run. Now let's look at our pipeline. It succeeded. All the 3 files have been copied. Now let's head over back to our lakehouse. Now just going to refresh it and see what we have in our lakehouse. So you see the files are already created, and they are named according to how you like it represented. There's no package extension. As it is according to the name of the file. Now what we like to do is to view these files within OneLake Explorer in Microsoft Windows. Now let's head over to our Windows Explorer. So right here, I'm in OneLake Explorer, and I've got the folder here for Fabric Training Workspace, and I can view the files that are in there. Now let's look at what we have in here. Right, just to be sure, I just need to sync from OneLake and open the files. The files are there. Now you can explore, and if you want, open this file and do what you got to do. Now this is a very simplistic way of generating CSV file from Microsoft Lakehouse in Fabric. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it useful, click on the like button or subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.